up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, come on in, take a first look. Today we're in my kitchen. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today I am cooking. I know some of y'all, I have not done a cooking video in a minute because I ain't been cooking like, well, I have been cooking like that. But anyway, I'm bringing y'all today we're making some pork chop with some veggies. I already got them, already washed it and everything. We're gonna make some cauliflower and broccoli, and that's it. That's gonna be the meal today. So if you're interested on how I make this, I'm a pork chop. My pork chop nice. Pork chop nice, but my pork chop nice, bad. Nice. Before we get into all that, I'm gonna show you how I make the seasoning to put the pork chops in the oven and everything. So yeah, let's get into it. Because I'm putting the meat in the oven, you're gonna like blend up the seasoning and everything so you can marinate and just, you know, in the oven. Because when you put stuff like that in there, it's gonna like, you know, burn up quick and have them something. So anyway, so first we have my scallion and my thyme. Oh, y'all can't even see. So what you need, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using. I'm using some scallion, some thyme, onion, garlic. All right guys, so I have everything. So I'm gonna chop up the onions, chop up the garlic and all these things, and I'm gonna put them here. You are gonna need like any type of blender or anything like that. I'm gonna use this NutriBullet thing and put it in here.
She's got class and style, street knowledge by the pound, yeah. Baby never act wild, very low key on the profile. Catching feelings isn't all. Let me show you how it goes. Loves the world, spins the vibe.
So everything I chopped up is in here. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this, just a little troops, and some pepper. I also got some pimento seed that I'm gonna add to it, a couple of them. All right, that should be enough. And then we got some jerk seasoning. Abastan, I get this, mommy? The buckle one. The plastic buckle one. You know it one in the fridge. All right, this come from fresh out of Portland, Jamaica. Boston jerk seasoning. Get to it. So I'm not gonna use a lot because it is kind of spicy. So I'm gonna use butter. Ooh, that seems enough. I'm gonna use about a spoonful of it, just because it's spicy. And I'm gonna even throw some regular seasoning in there too. I'm also gonna add some of this jerk seasoning to it too, just because this one isn't as spicy as this one and I want more, but I don't want my mouth to be on fire. So I'm gonna add some of that in there as well. And y'all can even do this when I make chicken too. Like I put the chicken in the oven, do this and blend it up, and then we're gonna add some water to it. All right, so we add some water to it, not that much water. This apparently is still too much, but we're just gonna work with it. All right, and then I want to put the cover on. Then we're gonna blend this up, and this is basically what we're gonna season the meat with. Guys, the whole time I think I record on the camera and I record before I put the seasoning on it. But this is the consistency of it. As long as you know too watery or good. And then we just work it in. Work it in. Work it in. Work it in. That's it. And I still got some more in here. There we go. Drain out everything by any means necessary. I like to take a fork and just like so that, you know, we can really get into it like I want it to. All right, so once everything is seasoned, I'm just gonna cover it up, push it to the side, and let it sit for about 30-40 minutes. Guys, cutting up the onion and stuff like that had me crying. Like It was a lot. But anyway, as for like the vegetable and stuff like that, I'm not gonna make them now because they're easy to make. I'm not putting meat in there yet. I go upstairs, go do something and then I come back. So once I'm ready to make this, I'll come back. I come down, I'm gonna season up chicken too. So I think I'm gonna put the chicken in with the pork chops and cook that too. So guys, it's time to put the stuff in the oven. Before we even do that, these are the containers that I'm gonna be using. But I like to put butter in the pan first. So may I put some butter in the pan, grease up a pan. Alright guys, so I'm gonna grease up the pan them now. I just put whole heap of butter in it. So the butter help the pork chops finna stick to the pan. So that's why I do it. I put it in the oven so that the butter can melt out and everything while the oven is preheating. Well, this is what it look like in the pan when the butter everything melts. So you just go ahead and add the pork chops onto it. And when you have a little bit of extra, you can feel free if you throw it in the pan. It even help, you know, help the something of it stick. I'm gonna throw it in the other one too. While that's going, it's time for look about the cauliflower and the broccoli. This isn't really hard. What I do is boil it. I'm gonna do mashed cauliflower, so I'm gonna boil it first. I am gonna cook everything. I am gonna cook all of this just because may I meal prep for the whole week. All right guys, so here's the cauliflower. Usually what I just pop off them part here. And if I'm being real, I always buy like the frozen cauliflower, but me not find them the front right there, so we just have to go use what we have. And I'm just trying to like cut. Can y'all see? And go ahead and see. Guys, I don't know what me I do. I don't know if I cut up no cauliflower. Usually I'll pull it like this and pull like, oh, there we go. There we go. Alright, so I'm doing these flowers, these florets, whatever them called. So I just have, like, as you can see, the cauliflower I already carved out the face. I really all I have to do is pop them off. So that's what I'm gonna do. And just boil them. Same thing with the broccoli. You see, all when me I cook, I like come out of the back door and just look out, you know myself. Because sometimes in the kitchen get hot. So I just like for just walk my back door. I feel like I dream because just walk my back door and come look out. But not really going out there. Everybody is staying at them house. Honestly, I walk my door because in the kitchen hot. The broccoli them done. Right here, so them not nice and crispy like how I want them, but it's alright. Them kind of overboiled, but it's cool. So now time for the cauliflower. So for the cauliflower, yeah, I'm just strain out the water regular. I am gonna strain these because I want all the water to get out of it. So I'll let it sit for maybe like 5 minutes. Alright, so while the cauliflower sit, I'm gonna season it. I just like honestly, I'm not putting enough something in it. Just salt, black pepper, and some butter. If I had cheese, I would put cheese. But I'm not having the cheese. I'm not going on the road. Alright, so I'm gonna take them leak out, you know. Them here look like a potato. I'm gonna show you how I go on pan these. So with these, I'm just breaking it up. And really what I'm doing, I just smash these up. And they boil nice. Ooh. They boil nice and soft, so all me do I broke it up. And you just do it as much as you want to do it until you're satisfied. I like mine really mince up, and probably should I use one fork instead. I got a little piece of butter in there. Yeah. But just make it nice and buttery and nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I'm gonna do something there. Alright, and here go our cauliflower mash. Nice. It's nice, guys. Don't knock it till you try it. Nice, bad.
I'm glad I come out, come see it. Nah, like, I fear it's just going to sit me never there, so I'm just choke myself.
So guys, thanks for coming in the kitchen with me today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you want some throw down more in the kitchen, let me know down below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna say this every video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to come join the Day One family. And I'll see y'all in the next video.